Looking to save money in logistics without cutting corners? In this video, we'll show you 5 proven ways to reduce logistics costs while keeping your service quality high. Let's get right into it. Using advanced GPS and route planning tools can reduce fuel consumption, driver fatigue, and delivery delays. Smart planning leads to real-time savings. Digital platforms connect shippers and carriers in real time. They reduce empty runs, cut out the middleman, and speed up load matching through automation. Every empty kilometer is wasted money. Use freight exchanges and transport management systems to coordinate return loads and keep your trucks full. Combining smaller loads into one big shipment increases efficiency. This works especially well for recurring B2B deliveries with multiple clients. Preventive maintenance is cheaper than emergency repairs. Regular checks reduce breakdowns, increase uptime, and keep your customers happy. Logistics doesn't have to be expensive, just smart. Try these 5 strategies and start saving today. Subscribe to IGA Transport for more expert tips and transport insights across Europe.